Someone asked on SystemeIO if it's possible to reduce the number of countries that we have in the drop-down list. So they asked this for order form, but it will be the same. So I did it on a capture form. So here I have a field for the country, and you add HTML code. Inside you put this JavaScript. What you set here an array of country code, so you can find the country code here. FR is for France and B for Belgium. So you put here all the countries that you want to show up, and this code will delete all the other options. You have dozens and dozens of options. So what it does here, first it waits until the whole page has loaded. Then you set up your array of allowed countries. And here you have a loop, here, in fact from here. So for each options in the select field, it will go through and it will look if the value of the option, so the value is the country code, if this value is included in your array, then it's fine, it doesn't do anything. But here, notice this sign means the contrary. So if it's not included in this array, then it will remove it. So the problematic things here is how to select the select field input. Because there is a bug in SystemeIO at the moment, is that you don't have an ID attribute for the field which are select drop-down list. You don't have this ID. You have it on other fields, text fields, but not on the select. Despite that you can see it, here. Here you can see at the bottom, I don't know if you can see on the screen, but at the bottom you have attribute ID, you have something, but it is not in the actual page. So it's a bug, they forgot to do it. So to select this select input field, you need to find something else. Here on this page, I have only one select field. So I use query selector with select. Since there is only one, it's the right one. But I don't know, maybe on an order form, you will have only one select, then it's fine, it will work also. Otherwise, you have to find another way to target this specific select field. So here I mean, you can just copy the code, you don't need to understand, but it's all together with dots. It means it does the job anyway. So here I put only FR and BE. So when we look at it, you see here there is France and Belgium. If we don't have this, so to do this, I will just make it only for mobile, so it will not display the HTML code on desktop. So you can see that now, so it's still doing it. Okay, I know why. Because the code is still here. This is not good. I just realized now that even if it's not on the desktop, it is still being executed. Maybe only on the live version, on the preview version. No. Let's see if I remove this. Okay, so that's another bug of SystemeIO, is that if you have something, HTML code, that is only visible on mobile, it will still work on desktop. That's not good. But that's life. So, I mean, I'm fed up, but I could show you that if we just well, okay, I will show you. Here we don't remove any elements, so you can see that you have the full list of all the countries. And so here it works, and if you want the code, you just have to copy it or ask me in the comments. You can just copy and paste the text. If you ask me for it, I will give you the funnel with the page inside. So now it's saved, and here you have only two choices. So this is important for when you want an order, you want to deliver your product only on specific countries and not the other ones. But since this field automatically select the country from your IP address, So here with a VPN, I am on France. So it's auto-selected France. But if the person is in a country that you don't want to deliver to, it will still select it, and then, so it will be selected, and then in the code, you remove this option. So you have to test, because I didn't do it. I mean, I could do it, but I will not go to the whole process. But maybe, let's say, here I put IT. I think IT is Italia. So let's see what it does here. So it's Italia and Belgium. So the France is not selected, and it's the Belgium selected. So I don't know how it will work. You have to test it for yourself with a VPN from a country that you don't want, that it will not be in the list, and submit without touching this to see what it submits to your order form or your email capture form. This will be interesting to notice. But with SystemeIO, we never know. We have to test, because in this video, I showed you 2 bugs already, just for one use case, and you don't know that they are here. When you hide this for desktop, it's still here for desktop. When you want this attribute ID for this, it shows you like it's here, but then you realize it's not here. So there are bugs that you cannot see them. You have to test a lot of things. And report it to support if you want. If you are hopeful that they will solve it, just report it, document it. That's it. Bye-bye.